Hello, everybody. Welcome back. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Hello, hello. All right, let's start the show. How's everybody doing? Good morning, Dave Mack. Hello, welcome. How's it going? I'm actually looking to jump into a trade here. Maybe, you know. This seems to be maybe a good opportunity, but I'm not sure. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Issue codes, hello, welcome, good morning. And Laney Jan, hello, hi. Tradermon, good morning. Okay, going back to the 5-minute chart here. I was looking to take a trade with a sell limit at 809. I was eyeballing with that level. Yeah, at 809. I'm gonna put a sell limit there, just in case. Yeah, all right. I have a sell limit. Now it's been triggered. And if you ask me why, because we have a 1-hour gap down below. We have a 1-minute demand zone as well. It seems like the market is kind of turning down. I mean, to the downside, although nothing is for sure, obviously. But I do like that we swept a swing high just earlier. Right there. But, you know. Sweep. On the top. Would be great to see a continuation lower. But in order to do that, 831 would be a stop for me. 830. Yeah, I would go with 831. This is the morning probe trade. Hello, Smokey the Sucker Dad. What's up? Welcome, welcome. $765.50. Oh, let's go with 65.25. All right. So this would be the play I'm looking for. If it goes higher, that's fine. But then a completely different ball game. This would be yesterday AM session high at 900. So we could still go up to that level. There's a really, really strong possibility for that, but you never know. No Luck Pure Skill, hello, welcome. How's it going? And do we have news this morning, by the way? I totally forgot. I think we have. Oh no, nothing. Okay. Nothing. Tomorrow we will have some news. Yes. Not today. Not today, we don't. Let's start to collect those likes, everybody. Okay. Let's see what else do we have. We took liquidity from the fair value gap at 115. We pushed another leg down. We have a 1 minute demand zone. We have the 1 hour fair value gap down there. So everything looks okay ish on my end. Would be great to see a drop here. Maybe even take a partial. Yeah. What's the plan, everybody? Does anyone have a good plan for this morning? Let me know. Nick Scully TV going long. Yeah, maybe that would be the play. Yeah, that can also be a really good play going long here after sweeping all that liquidity. We had the pullback here. Oh my gosh, another leg up, but everything just showed down. Yeah. It does seem like everything is kind of slowing down. But also, like, the Asia session was going sideways a little bit more than usual. Hey, that's awesome molecular skill. Towards 925 for TP. See that. Let's go. Oh my god, another lucid pad. Oh my gosh. Dave. Are you still trading with one or two micros, right? That is so cool. That is just so cool. That is super amazing. Good morning, Null Sweeper. Hello. Listening on demos and learning how to trade. Oh, nice. Well, you got to start somewhere, and there's no shame on starting on a demo account. Trust me, that's actually, you know, that's where we all started. That's it. Okay, now it kind of feels like it wants to go higher. Usually I kind of been able to increase my risk appetite more. Oh, I see. Yeah. That's okay. That's fine. That's cool. Ariane, hello. Welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. Well, my long position is not looking good from here. Think about buying my first challenge by the end of the month. Let's go. I wish you good luck with that, Nick. Yeah, only sideways market yesterday, but still, I mean, we can have the same day today without no major news release. So, you know, clearing out some highs and lows, that could very well be possible. Oh yeah, short, sorry. All right. Well, so far it does seem like it's going higher. There is a 15-minute fair value just where my stop is, unfortunately. Maybe I should just exit this position. Yeah. But it's okay. Small trade. I am on a mission right now, Tom. I'm rewiring my brain from old habits. I can read market well, but the mental game, yeah, I know how it is, man. I can absolutely imagine. Focusing on some 30 points 2 times a day. That's really good. I like the strategy there. Consistency. I like it. Actually, that's the key for everything, right? That's a real good commitment. And my commitment is to maybe close this trade. Ping Pro Max 3, hello. Thank you for joining. Well, it does seem like we're breaking higher up to the 30s here. So most likely I'm gonna have a relatively small loss on this trade. It still doesn't really want to go to that fair value gap on the lower end, which is fine. It's completely okay. Maybe until London we're gonna creep higher. We'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen here. I kind of have a feeling that this is gonna go way up there and reprice above the 840s. Nothing on the 3 minutes so far. All right, let's wait. One more, actually 5 more seconds here. New 5, new 15-minute candle. Would be great to see this go down. Good morning, Dharmesh. Hello. How's it going? Let's start to smash the likes, everybody. We are at 26 likes already. Let's go. 26. Next step is 50, and then let's go to 100. Ba-da-dum, ba-dum. All right, let me just put the flip tool here. All right. Let's wait. Cannot see the direction in slow motion. Yeah, all I was kind of hoping that we will pull back lower, below 29,764, but it's not happening. It was really looking the way like that, but it didn't go through. The 1 hour fair value gap would be a really good target in this case. Huh. Let's wait and see. Good morning, Traders G. Hello. The drop is just not happening. All right. Would be great to see this drop go through. Farhad, hello, good morning. Good to see you, Farhad. Currently losing streak. Yeah, this market is like the only target that I could see here is down there on the 1 minute demand zone and lower. Actually, I'm really thinking to somehow, or maybe to lower my TP or take partials here. So maybe that's what I'm gonna do at 80. I'm actually really considering it to take a partial at 80, just to be safe, if it goes there. All right, I'm moving my partial to 80, and I'm going to take a final TP at 65.50 if it goes down there. All right, so that's the plan. Either blow my TPT or winning trading gold. Yeah. Come on, let's go to 80. I'm trading on multiple prop firms, trading on MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEDAY, Earn to Trade, Apex, Bulenox. So yeah, I have multiples here. Let's go. All right. Let's move this to break even and wait for the 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, it was a nice little catch here. The question is, are we gonna go down? MSUFO, hello. So is this thing gonna go lower or not? That's the real question, right? Mirai-kan, hello. I wish you all the same as well. Thank you for joining. By the way, I did blow up a MyFundedFutures Rapid account during the Asia session. I was up during the night. That's why I'm a little bit tired. And I blew up a MyFundedFutures Rapid account eval. That is what it is. I was a little bit too aggressive. Guys, whenever I try to force myself to put an evaluation account up to its maximum consistency, in this case 50%, the goal was to reach $1,500, and I'm trying to scalp my way into that result or towards that result, things go sideways. But you know, I'm feeling much more relaxed when I just traded 1 or 2 micros and, you know, just drifting with the trade, and that's it. So 2 completely different styles of trading. By the way, Mirai-kan, I wish you all the amazing things. I know I said it earlier, but you're such a nice person with everybody else here. I don't put daily loss limits, daily loss limit lockouts on my accounts. On purpose, by the way. I try to be disciplined by myself. You know, I'm trying to reach that level. But, you know, I was not copy trading that evaluation account. Below Master, hello. Welcome. All right, can we get this down to the 1 hour fair value gap maybe? That would be amazing. How many accounts at this trade? So currently I am copying. These are the accounts that are under copying. Now this is the one that I lost during Asia session. This is an eval. 1, 2, 3 fundeds on this batch here, and the other ones are evals. But I'm copying it. This actually closed down there. But so this is the one that I lost during the Asia session, this eval. But when I go super aggressive in scalping, I never copy trade. Never. I never copy trade when I scalp. Never. I mean, you know, definitely when I'm aggressive on scalping. I use Replicanto on Ninja Trader. Come on, can we reach that fair value gap down there? I'm expecting a bounce here, by the way. Oh, see you, Nolar Pre Skill. All right. See you later. Come on. Let's go down there. First 20 minutes. Let's go, Tech Looney. Wow. Nice. Yeah, it can actually save. Yeah, it can definitely save many people from blowing up. Leo Grossman is here. Hello, the man, the trader, the legend. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, the last few points are the drama always. But it doesn't have to be a drama. I can actually just take it, right? All right, thank you. Not this time. I'm closing it. That's it. Closed it down. No, thank you. I'm not playing games here. I don't care if it goes down now. I closed it. Look at it. It's gonna bounce. 1-2 points. Yeah, I like that. I like to front run those targets too, but you know, look at this. 28k in total from 15 accounts. Lior, how are you doing it, man? And by the way, Lior, last time you said you were in Hungary, you didn't contacted me. Like, you didn't say anything when you want to meet or something. I wanted to pick your brain, like how you doing all these payouts. You come here to brag about these payouts and you don't let me to ask her. Anyway. End of day daily. Let's see how. Let's go, Content Hunter. With the 30 consistency, really evaluation of 3k. It's absolutely doable, Content Hunter. It is absolutely doable. Absolutely. Of course it is. What? You sent me an answer. You sent me an email. When? When did you send me an email? I swear to God. I swear to God. What is your email? What is the... Before 3 weeks or something? Yeah, okay, 3 weeks before. But then I told you on the stream, because you said you're going to be here in a few days on stream. And I told you, like, hey, let me know if you're here. And now it's at the TP. There you go. This is how tricky NQ is sometimes. Anyway, next time, Lior, next time. But hey, seriously, congratulations for the payouts. That's a really good achievement. That's amazing. Stop me out, I went to TP. Oh my gosh, I hate when that happens. Exactly. OpsCat, I 100% agree. Lowered the risk, by the way. It is such an underrated thing, by the way. So underrated. All right. Let's do it, Lior. Let's do it. Send me a message. So it's absolutely underrated, and everybody just stepping through this small tiny fact, which is actually game changing. It's a huge game changer. What a difference it makes in your trading if you're lowering the risk. And actually, I want to make a video about it. Like, I think it was like I don't know, like 2 years ago since last time I did a walks and talks video. Like, you know, when I'm out there walking in the park or something, I just like to think more, and that's when I like to record some content. And like, I really have some thoughts about this. Like, really, lowering the risk is an absolute game changer. The benefits are just outnumbering the quote-unquote disadvantages, you know. What do you think about gold? Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Oh my gosh, gold. Oh my gosh, there's a really good level on gold. Jesus, holy baby Christ. 43.98.4. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful order block. And not just that, we have an absolutely textbook demand zone down there on the 15-minute. So that's a 15-minute demand zone, and that's the order block. You're way less emotional, so you trade better. Exactly, and this, in a nutshell, that's all there is to it. We go down this week. Let's go, Lior. I want it. Let me know. It's raining outside. Oh, good for you. We're hoping for rain. So anyway, there's a really good target on gold. And, you know, it's just really looking good to trade down to that level. In terms of target, I mean, sorry, entry, I don't see a good entry at this point here. Maybe if it would bounce higher, but I would be looking for entries to go short and target 43.98 down there. That's what I would do with gold. People ask payout need to be patient. Yes. That's also another thing. Lower profit. I don't agree. I think that people need to manage a higher buffer. If it's 50k account to make 20k profit without withdrawal, then every day 2k, it's easy. By the way, there's a real good truth in that. Imagine building up a buffer of 20k, so not $2,000 but $20,000 a buffer, and I know you would be itching like how you could withdraw that amount because you want to withdraw that amount, right? I know how it is, but that amount of buffer is actually letting you to trade absolutely comfortably, making way more money on a daily basis. So it's all about risk management, guys. It's really all about risk management, which comes hand in hand with discipline and patience. It's possible another trick to change the open P&L from wait, comma, yeah. You can do it on Ninja Trader. Oh, I didn't know that. Good morning, Marco ZFG. Hello. I have 5 accounts in Lucid, 25k each with 33k in the account. Let's go. And that's what you need, basically, Lior. I'm glad that you shared this info because that's what you need. So it's all about the buffer. It's all about how much space you can use. We are at 45 likes. Let's smash a little bit more. I need to start the fan here. Just a second, guys. I need to start. There's a fan in the room. I'm gonna have to start it because it's getting a little bit hot. All right. And I'm gonna go get some coffee. Okay, I'm here. Have no fear. I'm here. All right. What is this reversal here? I'm in live, not simulated. When you go live, you do the same thing. That is how. So by the way, Leor, now that you're saying you're on live account, so do you feel comfortable on a live account? So all is good, everything's fine, rainbow and sunshine. So you have all the freedom, right? There's no specific rules. The job is the same. So if you say to yourself that you can make 500 a day, that's it. Don't try to take 2K. Okay, so what you're saying, Leor, I do like this angle here. If you can make on average, let's just say $400 or $500 a day, and you're comfortable knowing that there, you know, and you know, we don't even need to go to 500. Let's just say you can comfortably make $200 or $300 a day. That's the key, right? All you have to do is just leverage that, leverage those trades on just a few, not 100 or 50, just a few funded accounts, maybe. That's it. It's reversing, yes. Now the final NQ, I trade down for. Let's go. And by the way, in Lucid, you have even a bonus that you get when you make a buffer in live. Whoa, really? Okay. I like it. I like that. So by the way, let's just look for something else. Where can this market go to now? Now that we repriced the 1 hour gap, what else is there? We have a Friday AM session low down there. AM session low. And we have yesterday opening range high. That's up there. Is TradingView working for everyone? The charting is working, but I'm not trading on TradingView right now. Charting wise, it's working. Live accounts have less rules and they give daily payout at Lucid. Yeah, I think, by the way, that Lucid Mel and Live, they give so amazing. You want me to send? See, it's like Lucid SWAT. Oh yeah, that's cool. I didn't know how that looks like. Oh, Leo, I just received your email. Oh my gosh. This is what you get from Lucid. Leo just sent this over. This is what you get from Lucid when you're getting taken to live account. It's time you're going live. Guys, let's look at this again. This is Lucid SWAT team coming for you, taking you to a live account. Look at that. Look at that. They're taking you to live. I like it. Congratulations again, Leo. Really amazing. Really amazing stuff. And that's cool, by the way. I like it. Okay, we need to come up with a level here, everyone. What would be that level that we want to go for? The GIF is amazing, by the way. Yeah, it's amazing. Oh yeah, I also need to check my Lucid account. I need to trade more with Lucid. A 3K goal over 4 days. Exactly, that's the problem. I have to divide 3 by 4 to make sure I don't break. So even Content Hunter, even breaking it up to 4 pieces. This is exactly what I want to talk about a little bit more in the future, and I want to make a video only to this topic. Like, why do we need, I know it's evaluation, I know it's an evaluation account, but still, why do we need to aim to make $1,000 or more, or to pass the evaluation account as fast as possible? Why is it really necessary? Is it just a psychological pressure that you need to prove something to yourself, maybe someone around you, maybe to social media or something? I know the answer would be, oh, because we want to make money on the funded account. Okay, let's say you get the funded account. Are you gonna do the same thing, pushing $1,000 every day, or even just $500 every day? I was thinking the other day, like, did you know that the bonus on live Lucid interface? Oh, wow, 3.5. I didn't know that. You can gamble on the sim funded. Exactly, Lior, you just said the key sentence for the day. If you're gambling on an eval, and that's the way, then there's more likely there's a chance that you're gonna do the same on the funded. By the way, there's a very big chance that you're going to do the same thing on your funded account. You're going to gamble on the funded account too. Now, that being said, imagine making on average $100 per day on your funded account. Okay, let's talk about the funded account for a minute here. Imagine that you're making $100. I'm not talking about 1,000, not 500. I'm only talking about one single $100, okay, on your funded account on average. So that means that maybe some days you're up $300, the next day you are down $200. You know, all these things are adding up, and then you're up 400, then you're down 200, then you're up 200, then you're up again 100. Your average is going to be $100 per day. Now in 1 month we have somewhat around 20 trading days, right? Let's just say 20, which means under 1 month, without breaking the sweat, with just trading 1 or 2 micros. Imagine this, just trading 1 or 2 micros in 1 month, you should be able to do $2,000. Now you say, oh, that's nothing. I don't care about that $2,000. And even so, if I do that, you're going to say, oh, but that's only the buffer. I need to make $4,000 in order to withdraw $2,000. You keep missing the point. Your first month on the funded account should be not about making profits, by the way. Your first month should be about being consistent and build that buffer. That should be the first at least 2 to 3 weeks, but let's say a month, okay? Just building the buffer step by step. You should start the funded account like, okay, this is my job. My job right now, this is the 1st of September or August, okay? I have the funded account. My job is to forget about the profits, and I'm just gonna focus on the setup and 1 or 2 micros. That is it. And yes, in your first 3 to 4 weeks, you might not even going to take a withdrawal. But guess what happens? That's when the real magic happens, when you step to the next level. You reach the safety net, you reach the buffer. Let's assume that most of the, I know that there's different account types when you don't need the buffer, but you still need a buffer, by the way, just saying. So even if you can withdraw after 5 winning days of $150 or $200, doesn't matter. You still need a buffer, okay? Period. So you reach the $2,000 buffer, and then comes the real magic. Then you don't really need to do anything else. You just need to do the same exact thing that you did before. Nothing more. You don't need to do more. Just do the same exact thing. That's it. You don't need to make $500 a day. And if you think about it, it's going to take 2 months, maybe 3 months to get that first withdrawal. But imagine that you're above the buffer and you can take $1,500, $1,000, $2,000 from one single account. And I'm not saying you should copy trade 20 accounts or 50. Let's just say, what if you can do it with 2 accounts, copy trading? Just 2, not even 3, just 2 accounts, just 2 freaking funded accounts with 2 different prop firms, by the way. Not the same prop firm, 2 different prop firms, 2 separate funded accounts. I mean, you copy trade them, but 2 funded accounts. Imagine the possibilities after the first 30 days on the funded when you reach the buffer. And again, I'm not talking about 5 or 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 funded accounts. No. Just focusing, copying 2 funded accounts. Life-changing. Absolute. That's life-changing money. And that's my goal, by the way. I got payouts every now and then, but the goal is to find that ultimate consistency. That's what I want to find, the ultimate consistency in trading. And for me, the ultimate consistency would mean that it's not just about the payouts. It's not just about the profit, but the fact, knowing that I can take a withdrawal like at least every month, maybe not $5,000, but at least $1,000 or $2,000 or something like that or more. Anyway, I got carried away here, so let's just get back to normal trading. Let's read the chat. I got carried away. I see. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Either fun. I trade 5 Lucid Flex. I need to make to get 5. That's all. Yeah. That's also. Yeah. I get it. You can't do that with Blue Sky because of their 55% consistency. Ah. Hey, Leo. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. See you next time. You just need to make 200. If you handle 5 accounts, you make a total of, yeah, there you go. Listen down the profit. There you go. There you go. Opscat, exactly. Randall, good to see you, by the way. Look at Discord time. I show you want to trade, please. Okay, I'm not even logged into Discord. I need to log in. I need to log in. Oh, I see it. Yeah, yeah, I see it in general, Content Hunter. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Uh-huh. Nice. I love it. Swoop, hello. Laney, thank you. Aniket, good to see you. Sorry, I was just talking out loud. So 500 today. Let's see. $500 today. I can imagine that. You know why? Because look at the 4-hour chart and look at this bullish pin bar. This is, by the way, this is gonna get repriced. Just saying. This bullish pin bar. Actually, I'm gonna put a fib tool right there. Or I don't even need a fib tool. Low is 241. Okay. So here's the mid-level of that 4-hour. Fair value gap at 383. Yeah, absolutely. We can reach that. But is it going to happen today? That's the big question, right? You know, there's also one more thing. If you look at the 4-hour and look to the left here, look at all these swing highs and also this one. So these swing highs are relative equal highs. Relative equal highs. The drawn liquidity could be really strong on that. The force is strong on that one, right? So gotta be careful. Hey Vince, hello. I don't have a bias right now, to be honest. I don't have a bias right now. My bias was short until we were going down into that 1 hour gap. Now, currently, I don't know. I haven't decided yet what to do. We have the London Open here, so totally forgot about that. Yeah, no major news. And now that we have London Open, the question is, what level would be the best to go for? By the way, previous day low is also Asia low. This is also Asia low down there, which to me looks really good. I actually kind of like it. All right, I think I found something. I think I found something here. Oh yes, I did. I found something, guys. I have found something. This is it. Jesus Christ, I found something. I think I already missed it too. I think I missed that too. $7.90. Totally missed my entry. I was so much doing other stuff that I missed my entry. Oh my gosh, how could I miss my entry like this? All right, see you later, Content Hunter. See you tomorrow. Thank you, thank you. No FOMO, I know. Well, a little bit of a FOMO is okay. It's always fine. To have just a little bit. 706 would be the target. And I'm kind of hoping that it can go higher to the 70s. Well, maybe it will not go there. 30-minute. Yeah, it looks nice. Going through a gap here. What I'm seeing here on the 4-hour, I actually like it. Good morning, Wurzel. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that. Einstein, good morning. Everybody, let's smash the like. How we are doing with the likes? We are at 61 already. Let's go. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Respecting the 4-hour fib. Ah. Yeah, sure, Dellinger. So yeah, I'm sorry, I apologize. I wanted to share the idea here. Okay, so what I saw something on the 4-minute. So I'm currently on the 4-minute time frame. Usually I don't really trade on the 4-minute time frame. I was scanning through the 1-minute to the 5 for entries. The target that I really like here is a 4-hour bullish order block / demand zone. Now let me put this down here. And let me show you where it is exactly. So here's the 4-minute demand zone right here, and it also has, of course, the order block entry for it at 706.25. Now if you extend this to the right, you will see that we have the demand zone. And not just that, I mean, let me get this off. So the demand zone is the candle which created the Asia low. So that makes it extra special. This bearish candle here on the 4-minute, which actually created the Asia low. And that's why I really love that candle. It's really looking good. But I want to get out way earlier, way earlier. So I want to get out the first opportunity, which is above 706. Actually, I might even sooner. Now, the reason why I said I missed my opportunity is because on the 4-hour, these bullish candles here, so this one and this, not 4-hour, I was saying 4-hour, 4-minute. On the 4-minute, these two bullish candles actually went up there and swept a fair value gap right there. So we had a sweep of liquidity exactly here, and then immediate push. Now that's completely okay, nothing special with that. But then what I did is on this drop, so this is the 1-minute chart, the market started to drop, and because I didn't have an entry, I dropped down to the 1-minute time frame here. And on the 1-minute time frame, as I zoom in on this drop, so the market, as soon as we took liquidity here, the market started to tank, and that was a really good sign. Now it also created a swing high here. Swing high and the swing low. So this is a swing right here. Pushed it higher, another leg down. So now what I did is measured the distance. I was looking for the 50% retracement level. And also I saw that there was a nice fair value gap here as well. So unfortunately, as the market went back here, I missed my entry, and my entry is at 50. Actually, my entry is not in such a bad place. So my entry was here. Okay, so that's one. This is where I entered in a late entry, right here. But originally, oh my gosh, I must apologize. I didn't sleep too much this night. This is not the swing that I wanted to show you guys. Scratch that. Anyway, there was another swing right here with the same idea. I'm sorry. The entry was 56 on this one. And I could have used that too. Where was my entry? I'm getting confused. Dude, I need to sleep more. Anyway, the idea was to get in on a bounce. That's it. So long story short, I was looking for a bounce to a fair value gap and just to get in. I'm really starting to lose it, right? I'm starting to lose my mind. Yeah. Anyway, maybe I should just close this trade and call it a day. I think I really need to call it a day. Anyway, the target is good. I do like those levels down there, but it seems like we're kind of pushing a little bit higher here, which is fine. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. What did I see here? Man, I got confused on my own entry. I know I saw something. I know there was something. Anyway, the idea is the same, to target the order block down there at 700. That's it. Could be a double bottom. Yeah. We are at 74 likes. Let's go. I'm liking it. I'm trying to justify it somehow, but I just can't see this happening. I think I made a mistake, guys. I think I really do think I might have made a mistake here. No joke. I think I made a mistake. All right. All right, let's squeeze this trade. Down into this area. And if it goes higher, at least I can be out of this with about 120 bucks of loss, which would be perfect for me. Chop City, yeah. It is Chop City. I think it's gonna spike higher and gonna take me out. It's fine. Anyway. All right, took off one micro to ease the risk. So it's because it was a risky trade anyway. Good morning, Fisher Trader. Hello, welcome. Took profit on long. Nice. Good job there. Kind of wondering. 32.50. All right, taking off one micro there and 13 on the lower end. 13. All right, this would be it. I know it's not the best trade. I know. I kind of messed up. Zees Hanafis, hello, welcome. 82 likes. We need 18 more. 18 more likes to go. Let's get it. Are you also going to start hiring streamers and run your stream all day? Yes. Yes, if you guys want to stream on my channel for a fixed salary, let me know. By the way, it's not even a bad idea. It's not even a bad idea. I can't pay you as much as Patrick Whelan, though. TV streaming all day and night, yeah. Kelly would like to apply. Let's go. Well, I don't know how that could be making money. Obviously a little bit more YouTube ad revenue. Where to apply? Yeah, and also platform advertisement, yeah. That's the key, RX. We need the face for the stream. We need the face. Affiliate codes also, yeah. Guys, I told you a million times, without the affiliate codes, I would have a much more difficult time being here full time on YouTube. I would still be here, but I would probably be with my previous main job and I would stream less. And this is why I am really, I'm so grateful to you guys to support me and use the code. Thank you so much. That's what makes me, that enables me to be here full time. Absolutely. Kunja Ledits, welcome to the channel. Oh, look at that. TP1 hit. Moving stop to break even. All right. It's a very small trade, guys, I know. But I'm kind of curious if we might go down to that order block. That's it. Because this is a sweep, we could bounce super easy back to the entry level. Stotts is short. Let's go. 714, yeah. I'm definitely curious if this one wants to drop. But I'm not surprised on this bounce here. Yeah, look at that. That's the problem with taking out swing lows. As soon as it takes it out, you have to, especially in London session, you have to expect for a quick bounce. And that can happen very easily. Very easily. But we'll see. Have faith, you know. So today I lost an evaluation account at Take Profit Trader as I was scalping in the Asia session. But overall in the green. Up with some fundeds, up with some evals. Yeah, it reacts to every small level here. Another account. So this week you lost. I lost 2 accounts, yes, this week. And I'm not proud of it, but it is what it is. Yeah. This was a MyFundedFutures. Oh, sorry. This was not a take profit trade. This was a MyFundedFutures account. Sorry. I lost a take profit trader account the other day, and this is a MyFundedFutures rapid account, eval. So this is a MyFundedFutures rapid, but I lost the take profit trader account. Yes, was it? Yes. Yeah, that was the Sunday open, and it's only Tuesday, guys, and I lost 2 evals already. So it's not a good start of the week. Although I secured a payout at Bulenox and looking to get another payout. Well, hopefully it's going to be at Apex. So with this one right here, with this MyFundedFutures eval, I was gambling with it. I wanted to reach 50% consistency during the Asia session by scalping. As you can see, here's the result. It didn't really go through. Unfortunately. Oil is ripping. All right. For me, still below 200 EMA. At least you are true to your subscribe. Well, trust me, there are some things that sometimes I'm embarrassed to say. I definitely lose funded accounts and evals every now and then. And yeah. Shooting for all-time high. Let's see it. So let me know if you guys have any trade idea here. I really wanted to see this drop down to 704. Now, the fact that it took me out at break even kind of tells me that the market could be playing some dirty tricks here. And maybe we just don't have enough volume or momentum for this to go through. We are at 91. We need 9 more likes. 9 more. Just 9 more likes, everybody. Can we get 9 more likes? Eight more now. We have 100 now. You can still push it though. Thank you so much. Good job, everybody. Really good. Thank you. That's how the YouTube algorithm keeps helping. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Zeus, you need to like 3 times. It has to be an odd number. If you like it on even times, it's taking back the like. Creative wall printing, hello. Full port short for 714. All right, so let's go. Be careful with the full port shorts there. Uh, Look at this. The morning is good. I had two nice trades in the green. Although in the Asia session, I was up during the night, so I am so tired. I can't even go to the gym. I need to have a quick nap or something. Anyway, I lost a MyFundedFutures evaluation account during the Asia session. I tried to scalp my way to quickly to 50% consistency, and I gambled away that account. But otherwise, every other account is in the green. So it's, I would say, okay. Ignacio, I'm not looking for shorts right now. It kind of feels like this one wants to go back higher. Let me look for, I'm looking for anything, any level of liquidity that could be pulled by the market on this drop, but there's nothing here. No 15-minute, no 5-minute fair value gap, no zone, no order block, nothing. There's one thing though, which is kind of interesting. We have, by the way, a 1 hour fair value gap. One hour fair value gap right there. Is it really there? Or I just need to sleep? Something is off here. Oh no, nothing is off. There's a 1 hour fair value gap up there, guys. It's up there. It is up there for sure. Possible buy side liquidity. Look at the reversal here on the 5-minute though. Look at the reversal. Closing higher. This candle is gonna, this is creating a bullish order block here, guys. Are you ready for going long? Who's ready to take a long position? With 1 micro. Hey, good morning, Trading Star. Hello. All right, I think I'm gonna get ready to take a long position, but this time only 1 micro. 766.25. The high here is okay. All right. Putting in a limit order in. All right. Putting in a buy limit there at 766.25. If it goes down and takes the order block. Could be a 1.4 R. I'm waiting for a pullback. Limit buy. The key is the RD's bearish candles. right there. Let's see if it hits it. Man, I don't know. Not really a huge fan, but we'll try. K-Bell is here. Hello. I'm sorry I forgot to say hello to you, K-Bell. Good to see you. Exactly, K-Bell. It already messed me up a little bit. So, Asia session already messed me up. All right, no pullback yet. We're kind of missing some volume again, although this shift is looking good. Why you're not considering the 5-minute bearish order block that we have tagged. 5-minute bearish order block. Let's see. You mean these two bullish candles here? At 235 and 240, right? Yes. I don't want to, I'm not saying this because I want to argue or anything. To my understanding, this is not a bearish order block. I'm not sure. Or even if it is, the problem with this one is that the drop here, the bearish drop, it was 2 weeks. So there's no down close displacement lower than the first bullish candle. So I would wanted to see more down closed candles displacement to the downside to consider it a strong or valid one. So in my book, it's yeah, it's not really an order block here. Although if we would have had at the 255, if the 255 candle would have been a nice bearish candle, then it would be an order block. But because it's not, it's not, you know. Yeah, absolutely, Panda. Thank you for the question. Good question. Because I was watching this drop, and of course we did trade lower, but you know, we don't have those down close candles there. But in this case, up here, now this is a bearish. Well, it is a bearish order block. We did take liquidity from this fair value gap at 145. Although we didn't sweep a swing high, so it's maybe not the best A++ bearish order block. And the market also hit it here. So we hit that right there. We pushed up, the market hit that right there, boom, going down. But it wasn't enough yet for the market to take it all the way down. Instead, I'm kind of wondering, what if the market wants to push it all the way back up there, because the top of the order block is actually the one that created the 1 hour fair value gap. So what if there is some unfinished business up there, you know? And speaking of order blocks, these bearish candles are order blocks because we have that bullish displacement. But we are in a bull market, plain and simple. Yeah, that's true. Buy the dip, right? All-time high tomorrow could be. Rajan Kumar, thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. Question is, are we going to hit this area or not? The more time it goes sideways here, the less I'm liking my limit buy order. I really wanted to see a quick pullback to take up the order and go higher, but it's not taking it, not yet. 725.50 is going to be my stop loss, by the way. So that's the stop. Dinesh Rana, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining. Oh, look at that. It was close. It was close, but it didn't take it. It was really close. Hold on a second. It did take it. On my other accounts, it did take it. That's interesting. Kind of weird. I don't even know how that's possible. Dano Keys, hello, welcome. Okay, so now we hit the order block, and now I'm just kind of hoping that it will go up or something. Although we do have Asia low still down there. All right, I'm gonna put a TP to 26.50. So if we trade higher than let's say the 790s or to the 800s, maybe I will move my stop. Maybe. I don't really want to, because I just want to see how this goes. Anyone is in a trade, let me know. Maybe it's only me. Telmo Santos is long. Thank you for letting me know. Too low volume. Yes. Yes, big Teflon. Unfortunately. Not enough. 6 micros with... Oh my gosh, 6 micros. Ignacio. Careful with the risk there. Good morning, Sam Owen. Hello. Laney Yan is in gold short. Let's go. Takloon is long. Kwong, hello. Good morning. Shorting DAX. Stoic Capital is short. Stops on break even. All right, so everybody is just relaxing. Volume is dying out. It's not really doing anything here. 13 minutes until electronic trading hours open. I'm sorry, pre-market open. Stock exchange electronic trading hours. For those of you who are new. So let's wait. Good morning, Trader Steve. Hello. Long NQ to 795. Let's go. Yeah, there's a nice swing low, swing high there. Oh my gosh, we're missing the volume here. Took the same trade. Let's go, chills. Yeah, it's I'm only risking just a small portion here. Risking 50, yeah. I'm also risking just, well, something like 90 or 80 bucks on this trade. Maybe 90. Yeah. Ten minutes to go. Here's the macro time. Let's see. It's not really moving, right? See you later, Borzel. Thank you for being here. Yeah, the price action is really going low right now. Was expecting a little bit more in this London session. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm looking for bullish movement. Yeah, maybe it's because of Tokyo holiday, could be. So that's why it will be interesting to see how the pre-market open will go. I need to sleep, guys. I slept maybe 2 hours. 2 hours. I actually less than 2 hours. This is not healthy, I know. I need to take a sleep. I don't know why it is, by the way, Kwang. Good night, Devil Jin. I don't know. I sleep terribly. It's really bad. It's not healthy. I need to do something with my sleeping. I'm so tired I can't even go to the gym. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I got some stress going on in my personal life. All is good, by the way. I can handle it. So don't worry. It's not trading. Trading is different. Trading is a different type of stress. So maybe that's why I can't really sleep well. It's so hard to lose the account and no sleep. Yeah, I know. Hey, thank you, Lainey. Yeah, I'm definitely. I need to sleep more. Exactly, Kelly. I like that. Take comfort in knowing that trading is a stress you can count on. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. My wife is different. I have stress. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this wick down there. My accounts when I trade on my phone. Oh, yeah. I mean, I tried to trade on my phone a couple of times. I'm not saying, I mean, it's impossible or, you know, it's just, it could be sometimes frustrating or more stressful. Ongya, hello, good morning. Let's smash some more likes, everybody. We're having lots of subs since the last few days, especially since yesterday. Thank you so much for the new subs. The only way for you not to blow is to trade on the 30-minute plus time. Yeah, higher time frames, less risk, less trades. That's definitely the way to keep your accounts longer. Gabor, hello, good morning. I lost my funded account on MyFundedFutures because open trade after news and don't wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry about that, man. I'm sajnálom nagyon. Sajnálom. Figyelj oda erre a 2 perces szabályra. Ezért nem is kereskedek hírekre. Fellow Hungarian trader, I told him, like, you gotta pay attention to that 2-minute rule. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I don't even trade for news. Legend account with 17k in profit. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's also a lot of money. Igen. Hát várd meg azt a 2 percet, sajnos ez ilyen. Még utána se szoktam, hogy lemegy a hír. Én megvárom aztán egy következő 1 órát, vagy mit tudom én. I had the same with CFD earlier years. They let you to open trade, but it's against the rules. Yeah. So TopStep is nerfed the 830 trading, right? I think other prop firms are going to do the same as well. Yeah. Yeah, so they limit you. You cannot even place a trade. I heard that. So TopStep figured out that you can't even put a trade or an order on, nothing. You're just being restricted for 10 minutes or something, I don't know. So let's wait for the pre-market open here. Bob the Third. Hello, Bob. Welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. New in trading. I did the short with the leverage of 75. Leverage of 75. Good idea. I don't know what you mean leveraged of 75. 75 micros. That's maybe not the best idea. Or 75 from 775. I mean, entering a short is not a bad idea as long as you know how much you want to risk, right? Or if you have a system. But by the way, Christian, good luck with trading and welcome to the trader's journey. Times 75. Like crypto. Oh, I don't know how that leverage goes. I don't know the platform there. You might be using what's that? Maybe you're trading on some crypto website. I don't know how that leverage works. Depends on the account. Yeah. But it's good for the platform to close accounts. Yeah. That's true. That's true. Here we go. Pre-market open. By the way. Bob, welcome. Absolutely. Welcome. Hyperliquid. I need some coffee. No, I need some sleep. To be honest, I need some sleep. So if we would trade above like the 790, maybe I would even move my stop, you know. That's up there. Because honestly, I don't really want to be in this trade right now. to be honest. Not really a huge fan of this. But, you know, taking off some risk would not be the worst idea that I had today. Creative Guru G, welcome. How's it going? Thank you for joining the channel. Relative equal highs up there. All right. Okay, I think we traded above. All right, I'm gonna move my stop to maybe here. How about that? So reducing the risk on this trade. It's not completely on break even, but let's wait what happens. Reduce the risk. Hey, absolutely, you're not spamming. That's valuable information, Kwang. Thank you. All right, I think at this point, I think I'm gonna put this to break even. It's on break even, so it's a free trade now. It's a free trade. All right. No more risk. No more risk. I'm risk-free completely. I'm free now. I'm free. So even if it takes out this break-even trade, I couldn't care less. I don't care. We did good today anyway. Yeah, I secured some nice profit in the morning. So this one is a bonus round actually. And I'm just happy that I'm not risking anything more than I have to. Wow. The market makers are definitely watching the stream now. Look at this. They are watching the stream. I'm telling you. It's not even a joke. They are watching. I'm long with 100 lots, yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna go back down, maybe gonna sweep a swing low. Unfortunately, we do have that swing low on the 1 minute. right at 4 a.m. I think is going to take out that 4 a.m. open. So, you know, it's time to say goodbye to this position. At least we know that we had a really sharp rejection from up there. So, I know. All right, out at break even. Nothing to be ashamed of. Secured some nice profit this morning. So, overall, even counting with the break-even trades, we won every trade. So all the trades are won. 3 out of 3. So, and now that it's taken out, break-even is going to go up to... Watch out for that 1 hour fair value gap, guys, later. 826. London right now is 9:07 a.m. All right, everybody, this is it for me. Nice profits here in London session. I'll try to get back in early New York session as well. I'm off too, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO at the checkout page if you consider to purchase some evaluation accounts from these prop firms. You see it up there in the banner. I know every prop firm has a factory code, but if you consider just adding a few seconds there and typing in the code TOMSABO, that helps out the channel with the great deal. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. I'm going to have a quick nap and I'm going to see you guys later. So God bless you all and see you guys later. All right. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.